Apple has recently been awarded a patent by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, for a device featuring a foldable display with a self-healing display. This innovative screen would use heat from various sources, including light, electrical current, and external heat, to restore its surface to its original state. Reported by Patently Apple, the patent also details a self-healing layer at the top of the screen capable of automatic repair. Although Apple hasn't specified the practical implementation of this technology, this patent ignites speculation about Apple's future in the mobile market. For years, rumors have circulated about a potential foldable iPhone, aiming to compete with similar devices from Samsung and Google. Some rumors even suggest that Apple might introduce a foldable iPad instead, foregoing a foldable iPhone altogether. Either scenario would mark a significant shift for Apple, which has maintained a consistent flat panel design since the iPhone's debut nearly 2 decades ago. The foldable device market, currently slow due to limited competition, could see a significant boost with Apple's entry. This could challenge existing players and potentially accelerate industry growth. The addition of a self-healing display could be a game-changer, addressing one of the most common issues with foldable screens: durability over extended use. This feature could enhance the longevity and appeal of Apple's foldable devices, giving the company a competitive edge at launch. However, it's important to temper expectations. A patent award does not guarantee that the technology will be incorporated into a commercial product. Apple, like other major tech companies, frequently files patents that never materialize in their hardware. Furthermore, the patent description is notably vague. It broadly outlines how the screen could be heated, mentioning almost every conceivable method. Apple stated that the self-healing layer could be made of polymer or any desired material having self-healing properties and might cover the entire exterior surface of the display cover or just a portion of the screen. In conclusion, while the prospect of a foldable, self-healing iPhone is exciting, it remains speculative. The patent indicates Apple's interest in innovative display technology, but only time will tell if this concept becomes a reality in future Apple devices.